Yesterday, of course, it was Marquez that took the spoils with that 156.921. Well, today it's been so close. As we just mentioned, the top 19 riders covered by less than 1 second. The top 4 riders, Andrea Dovizioso, Cal Crutchlow.
To Dovizioso now, I hope he's okay because he looked at Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso? Ducati, the high slide, down he went, all the faction Ducatis clattered in, believe it. There's okay. The air, he's rolled through the tarmac, run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso as well? It's fire from the Ducati, the high slide, down he went. Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one. Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso as well? It's fire from the Ducati, the high slide, down he went. As they now head around, into the air, he's rolled through the tarmac. Marquez now has Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end. Marquez now has back straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli. All the faction Ducatis clattered in, believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through. Just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marquez now has the back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli. Clattered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher. Well, Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one. Marquez now has run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marquez now has into the air, he's rolled through the tarmac, run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't give Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marquez now has they can't give Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. I just wonder if we might see a red flag Dovizioso. Marquez now Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli. Clattered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher. He goes. Brilliant start from Marquez from Poli. Fire from the Ducati. The high slide. Down he went. All the faction Ducatis clattered in, believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. For Andrea Dovizioso. Marquez now has back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli. Clattered into
Dovizioso is ready with the net. The second flag is out here in Magello. What's going to happen? Oh, it is!
Here if they can't give Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marquez now has back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli. Clattered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher. Well, Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one. The tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't give Fabio Quartararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marquez now has into the air, he's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't give a Fabio Quartararo
A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso.
I just wonder if we might see a red
Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has wound the bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked up.
Quartararo's down!
Is that Dovizioso?
I think it is!
It's unbelievable. Fire from the Ducati. The high slide. Down he went.